In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate WhatsApp in Zoho CRM. We'll connect WhatsApp to your CRM using the official extension from the Zoho marketplace. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in with a profile that has permission to install extensions, ideally an administrator. Using a desktop browser will make the process clearer, and having a stable internet connection helps ensure the install completes smoothly. Start on the homepage of your Zoho CRM. This is your central dashboard, and it's the best place to begin so you can quickly navigate to settings without getting lost in module views. If you work with multiple accounts or environments, take a quick moment to confirm you're in the correct organization to avoid installing the extension in the wrong place. Next, open the marketplace. The marketplace is where Zoho hosts trusted extensions and add-ons, including the WhatsApp connector we need. You can access it from your CRM's settings area, and it's designed to make integrations straightforward. Think of it as an app store specifically for your CRM, with details, screenshots, and reviews that explain what each extension does and how it interacts with your data. Inside the marketplace, click the search icon to bring up the search bar. This is the fastest way to find exactly what you need without browsing categories. If your screen is compact or zoomed in, you may need to scroll slightly or look for a magnifying glass icon. Either way, the search box is readily available. In the search bar, type WhatsApp for Zoho CRM. Look for the official listing and select it. On the extension page, take a moment to review the description, supported editions, and any permission notes. This quick check helps you avoid compatibility surprises later. When you're ready, click Install. During installation, you may see a few prompts such as terms of use or access permissions. Review them carefully and proceed to complete the install. If your organization uses role-based access, you might be asked who should have access. Choose what matches your team's needs and continue. Once the installation finishes, you'll see confirmation in the marketplace, and the extension will appear among your installed apps. That's it. The WhatsApp extension is now added to your Zoho CRM. From here, you can explore the extension's overview to understand its features, message handling, and any usage limits. If anything doesn't appear right away, refresh your CRM page to load the new components. You've successfully integrated WhatsApp in Zoho CRM using the marketplace. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to review the extension details so you get the most out of your new integration.